Today we are going to learn Chinese characters.
日
First, please watch my mouth shape for pronunciation.
日日意日日生日生日今天是我的生日。今天是我的生日。日记日记你喜欢写日记吗？你喜欢写日记吗？节日节日春节是中国最热闹的节日。春节是中国最热闹的节日。
Let me show you how to write this character. This is one of the earliest basic Chinese characters to emerge. This character was created by ancient people who observed the sun. The character we learn today originally means the sun, symbolizing light and time. Ancient Chinese people revered the sun, divided day and night by sunrise and sunset, formulated seasons and calendars, and guided agricultural farming. This character is quite simple, but be careful not to write it as a square. It is slightly rectangular. That's all for today. See you next class.